Good morning, everyone. We are here today in my kitchen making one of my favorite breakfasts. I used to use a product that contained oat, hemp, flax, and chia all together, but once I found out that a lot of oats have a chemical called glyphosate in it, I decided to choose a different company. This one right here has no glyphosate, so I'm using that and I'm putting the ingredients separate now. So I have my oats, they're right here, put those in. And then hemp hearts. I'm using basil seeds because they have double the fiber of chia seeds. And flax. And also I add a little cinnamon. And I use almond milk, about 3/4 of a cup. I like Califia Farms organic. And then we mix it up a little bit. And on medium heat, you stir this for about 3 minutes until all the liquid is just about all absorbed. So when it's done, I plate it like this with a little bit of peanut butter and berries, and you're all set to go. This is such a great breakfast. It keeps you full for hours. It's so high in fiber, it's high in antioxidants, and it's really yummy too.